Good morning, this is Clay Trader at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some trades as they unfold live. Market opens up in about 15 minutes, although I'm going to try to capture some pre-market trading here on INSM. Great, got filled there at 29.15 and out that fast for a quick $50. I want to try that again. New order up there at 29.35. I've traded this one. That was my third pre-market trade. So right now I'm up 225 on it. Again, I've done 3 of them, and I realize that one just happened fast. But you can always go back and scroll back and see what happens there. But shorted at 29.15 and then got out at 29.05 for a very fast $50 bill. And that was my third trade that I've made so far this morning. You can see all my other trades up there. I actually started trading at 8:04 a.m. So or not quite, but basically an hour and a half before the market even opened. So this one has been a very nice mover. And it should hopefully continue to be even when the market opens, which is still not until 15 minutes. So great, caught a pre-market trade there. If it looks like it's going to get up there at 29.35 and get me filled for my initial 500, then I'll get the video rolling at that point. I've moved that order up to 29.45. Whether or not, well, looks like it got the price moving here. Let's see if it can get up there. Nice unintentional timing on my part. I was just going to update the order, but now it looks like it's got a chance to get hit. Market still does not open up for another 7 minutes. Just 500 shares. I'd like more than this, but you know, it just gets my foot in the water. So getting close. Okay, got those. Excellent. So like I said, I'll look to take a quick $50 if it wants to give it to me. If not, I will look to get more shares. So I'm going to pause it for the time being, and if it looks like it's going to give me an exit or allow me to get more shares. Okay, well, 300. So notice down there it's yellow. So it's given me 300 of my 500. So now I have 200 shares left. And this is kind of annoying. There we go. Thank you. Must have heard me. So there you go. Another quick $50 there. And I want to start that process all over again. And I'll do that up there at 29.95, just double checking. So we'll see if it can get up there or not. But if it does, same procedure. I will pause it for now. But cool. I've done over 300 live trade videos, I think. And I think maybe in 2 or 3, probably 5 at most, I have pre-market trading action actually captured. So I'm pretty stoked about this, that I've captured a few trades there, all happening in pre-market. Again, just to update that context, market still does not open for another 6 minutes. So 29.95, we'll see if it can get up there or not. All right, market opens up here any minute now. I've changed my order to 30.25 is my initial entry point there. And the market is officially open. And it's actually pulling back here a little bit. So we'll keep an eye on it, and I'll keep you updated. All right, I have an order at 27.75 here on INSM to buy some of this pullback here. Went as low as 28.06. So I'm going to go ahead and cancel that short order out there right now, because that's not looking like it's going to be happening anytime soon. But I'm not opposed to playing this from the long side. So 27.75 is my initial entry point from the long side here on the pullback. So we'll see if it can get down there or not. Okay, it's giving me 99 shares. Okay, there we go. And that quick, a $50 bill. I'm going to try 27.37. So let's see if I can get this. Play the pullback some more here. So I'll let the video roll a little bit. See if it can get down through 27.50. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pause it. It did break down through 50, but you can see right here the lowest it got was 46, and I was at 37, so kind of close, but not really. And now it's bouncing up here a little bit, so I didn't get that. I did cancel it and moved down to 26.75. So that's where I could potentially be interested in going long again. But as it stands now, like I said, it seems to be bouncing, so maybe I'll be switching things back over to thinking short. We shall see. Just kind of using this as a video diary, like I've talked about many videos before. But yeah, not gonna lie, disappointed in the action. Seeing this pre-market and the way I was able to trade it and get some nice price movement. The day is young, so you got to keep that in mind. But definitely not nearly as volatile as what I thought it was going to be. Looking like it maybe wants to come off the bottom here, but not nearly the range I thought it would be trading in. I mean, it's still not even 10 minutes into the day, so I don't want to make it sound like it's totally lost. But yeah, I guess kind of the lesson here to you as viewers, if you're newer, and just a reminder to myself and maybe veteran traders, just because something's trading beautifully in pre-market doesn't mean that it's going to be a volatile monster as soon as the market opens up. Sometimes that's certainly true. I mean, something that's all over the place in pre-market is all over the place as soon as the market opens. But here, minus the first 2 minutes, which is represented by that candle, it's been pretty mild, but maybe it's starting to ramp back up here again. So I'm keeping an eye on it. I have an order out there on CLLS. So we'll see if that little fishing order can get bid on. But yeah, I'm keeping an eye on it. We'll see what happens. All right, looking for an entry point here, 26.65 here on INSM. Looking like it was getting close, and it still is pretty close. Also have an order out there on NTNX. So I will pause it, but just want to give you an update on the situation. All right, I currently have 3 different fishing orders out there on NTNX, INSM, and CLLS. The chart you see over here is CLLS. So we'll see if I can capture any of these entry points live, but definitely no promises, because as far as I know, NTNX or INSM could be getting filled here. And obviously that's not going to be caught on video, but gonna let the video roll a little bit here. CLLS can be a pretty fast mover, so 25.35 may seem far away, but the price could definitely get up there in a hurry. All right, I am just going to pause it. I know as soon as I click pause, it'll probably rip up there, fill me. But all right, I'm going to pause. All right, looking like 1985. Might have a chance on that here on NTNX. And that fast, it's back over to 2015. Never mind. All right, have ordered a short at 2065 on the bouncer on NTNX. We'll see if it can get up there or not. Would like to at least capture a break at 2050 if that happens. We can see how it reacts, but now it's pulling back a little bit. So, all right, I'm going to pause. Well, I just had a little bit of a scare there. I had orders out there, and when I tried to cancel them, they were not disappearing. And Lightspeed, who is my broker, tried calling them, and they didn't answer, because I'm assuming I was not the only person calling in saying, hey, what's going on? Is my order canceled or not? And but the orders have now disappeared. And I probably should have, in hindsight, I should have gotten it up there. But in hindsight, I was also like, holy crap, I don't want to have my order stuck out there and then not know where I stand in a position. So no offense to all you as viewers, but you took a backseat to me figuring out what was going on. But now I am gun shy, and Lightspeed, the vast majority of the time, they're totally fine. But yeah, in the spirit of keeping it real, yeah, this is not exactly a good advertisement for Lightspeed in this video. So I'm going to be done for the day. I don't want to throw out any orders and then get myself into a mess. So I'll give things maybe a couple hours and come back and let them hopefully get whatever bugs are going on their end through the system. Maybe everything's fine now, but I'm not going to sit here and gamble and figure that out. So with that, close in the morning at 3:25, and yeah, I'm happy with that. So the day is still young. Like I said, 10:10, so 40 minutes into the day, still plenty of time left, but I don't plan on trading for at least the next hour or two, just because I'm a little paranoid now. So light speed, yeah, not the best endorsement for you this time, but to be fair, the vast majority of the time, everything's fine. So finally, before I go, if you want me to keep making these, if you enjoy these videos, the easiest way to communicate that to me is, hey Clay, please make these. Click that like button. Hey Clay, please keep making these. Subscribe to the channel. Those are the easiest ways to do that. A lot of other content on the channel in and of itself. If you're interested in trading alongside me and other traders through a private chat room, that is only $99 per year, not per month, per year. You can go to claytrader.com, call that the inner circle. And then also, if you're interested in learning how to trade with charts, claytrader.com, and I offer many training courses there. So thank you as always to you longtime viewers, and I will see you back next week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.